Hi, I'm Reena Marijoji studying in 8B. So today I'm here to talk about natural language processing. So natural language processing is a subfield of linguistics. Linguistics means study of language. It can be any language. And it's a subfield of linguistics, computer science and artificial intelligence involved with the interaction between computer and the human language. In particular, how to program computers to process and explain large amount of natural language data. So natural language means the normal language that we use in our daily life, and that can be English. So every robots that are built are mostly built with the language English, because most of the people know how to read, understand, write English. And some basic example that we use in our daily life of natural language processing is email filters, smart assistants, search result, language translation, digital phone calls, right? Because most of these things that we use in our home, office, schools, every place that we go, if you go to another country, you don't know their language, so you just simply use language translation. So that's basically an example in natural language processing. And there are 5 steps in natural language processing, and that are lexical analysis, synthetic analysis, semantic analysis, discourse integration, and pragmatic analysis. Natural language processing is divided into 2 main components: NLU, natural language understanding, and NLG, natural language generation. So we can take an example for understanding those terms. So New Year is coming up, and then you want to see the fireworks in UAE. So you ask Siri or Alexa, "Hey Siri, where can I see the New Year fireworks?" So Siri understands what you're asking for, and it finds some information. It knows that the fireworks happening in UAE, and it generates that answer to you. That's called natural language understanding. Means the robot or the artificial computer basically understands what you're asking for, like what you want or what you're searching for. And when it generates some answer, or when it generates answer, it is known as natural language generation. So in natural language generation, there are 3 steps. That is text planning. It includes recapturing the related content from a knowledge base. It takes information from its knowledge base and provides you. Another one is text planning, that it includes choosing the required words, forming meaningful phrases, setting the tone of the sentence. It takes some, just what I said before, collecting some words for making it a good sentence, and that's called as text sentence planning. It plans the sentence. Another one is last process, text realization. So it means mapping sentence plan into sentence structure. So that's the sentence planning and sentence realization are kind of same, but there are different processes in that. And another thing is there are some steps involved in natural language processing. And first one is tokenization. It's the process by which big quantity of text is divided into smaller parts called tokens. Another one is stemming. It's a process of reducing the word to its word stem that attaches to suffix and prefix or the root of the words. So root words means the base form, you can say, that is for example, the word change is changed into changes, changer. So it removes the last 2 letters, you can say, and it changes to the base form, that's change. And then the third step is lemmatization. Usually refers to doing things properly with the use of vocabulary and grammatic analysis of words. The base or dictionary form of a word is known as the lemma. So the stemming and lemmatizations are kind of same. It basically means reducing the word to its base form. Another one is POS tags, part of speech tag. It's a piece of software that reads a text in some language and assigns part of speech to each word, such as noun, verb, adjective, etc. So that's called as POS tag. And next one is named entity recognition. In natural language processing, named entity recognition is a problem of recognizing and extracting specific types of entities in text, such as people or places names. Next step is chunking. Chunking is a process of extracting phrases from unstructured text. So unstructured text means just unstructured data. It is not in a proper way, you can say. And then which means analyzing a text to identify the constituents. So constituents in the text means noun, verbs, verb group, etc. So it basically works on top of POS tags. I have told you everything about doing all this NLP things, and then maybe you might know how to do all those. You might be interested in doing all those NLP programming and stuff. So you might be thinking okay, I know everything what to do, but then I don't know where to use it. So the best place where you can do this NLP programming is Python NLTK. So Python NLTK is the the place where you can do all this programming like tokenization, parsing, classification, stemming, tagging, and all the steps in NLP and Python NLTK. So that's what in this video, and then thanks for watching. Bye.